Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
This is a common practice in most households since it is generally acceptable to store used cooking oil then dispose of it with the other household garbage. However, there are proper steps and points to keep in mind. First, make sure the used oil is cool enough to pour into another container intended for disposal. 20 February 2021.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Here are a few uses for it. Soap. Once used vegetable oil is filtered and cleaned of solids. You can use it to make wonderful soap, a commodity we all have need of every day. Emergency lamps. Ant poison. Animal feed. Dust suppression. Biofuels. Diesel fuel.
Let's help you make your mark.
Our recommendation. With breaded and battered foods, reuse oil 3 or 4 times. With cleaner frying items such as potato chips, it's fine to reuse oil at least 8 times, and likely far longer, especially if you're replenishing it with some fresh oil. 28 May 2019.
Take our lead.
As long as it's in a closed container, you can then put it in your trash receptacle and throw it away with your regular kitchen waste. If you started with liquid cooking oil, however, such as peanut oil or safflower oil, don't expect it to thicken too much when it cools.
Take our lead.
Olive oil should be treated just like vegetable oil and other cooking oils in that it should never be washed down the drain or thrown directly in the trash. The best way to throw away used olive oil is to put it in a sealable, non-breakable container before putting it in the trash.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.